In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a column formula in Smartsheet. Let's start from your Smartsheet grid. Make sure you already have your sheet open and you're in grid view so you can clearly see all your columns and rows. Editing a column formula is useful when you want one consistent calculation or rule applied across every cell in that column, without having to update each cell one by one. First, identify the column that contains the formula you want to change, or the column where you want to apply a new formula. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct one, especially if your sheet has many similar looking columns like multiple date or status fields. Click on the column header at the top. This is the box that shows the column name. When you click on it, you're selecting the entire column, and this tells Smartsheet that you want to work with column level options instead of just a single cell. Once the column is selected, look toward the top right corner of that column header. You'll see an icon with 3 small dots, often called the More or Options menu. This is where Smartsheet hides additional settings that don't fit directly on the main toolbar. Move your cursor over that column header and click on the 3 dots. Clicking this opens a drop-down menu with several choices related to the column, such as changing the column type, renaming it, or working with formulas. From here, you will be able to access the option to manage and edit the column formula. If you already have a column formula applied, this menu is where you'll go to adjust it so that the change updates every applicable cell in that column at once. A quick tip before you proceed. If you're about to modify a formula that's already being used, it can be helpful to glance at a few rows first, so you understand how the existing formula behaves. That way, when you edit it from this column options menu, you'll know exactly what kind of results to expect across your sheet. By selecting the column and